Phrasal verbs with out. Many phrasal verbs with out have an association with the basic meaning of out. Listen to these phrasal verbs and repeat after me. Leave out. Leave out. Not include something or someone. For example, for homework do exercise 8 but leave out number 10. Cut out. Cut out. Remove by cutting, usually from paper or cloth. For example, she cut the pieces out from the dress material. Show out. Show out. Lead a visitor who is leaving to the door of a room or building. For example, let me show you out, it's quite hard to find the exit from here. See out. See out. Go with someone to the door of a room or building when they are leaving. For example, don't worry, I can see myself out. Let out. Let out. Allow a person or animal to leave, usually by opening a locked or closed door. For example, the door will be locked but the receptionist will let you out. Lock out. Lock out. Prevent someone from entering a building by locking the door. For example, I forgot my keys and was locked out of my own house. Lock yourself out. Accidentally prevent yourself from getting into a building by leaving the keys inside when you shut the door. For example, I've locked myself out so often that I've hidden a spare key in the garden now. Sometimes, out in phrasal verbs gives an idea of completing or doing something to the end. Look at these examples. I sorted out my room on Sunday. It means I arranged things that were untidy. I cleared out all my wardrobes and threw away all my worn-out shoes. It means made tidy by removing unwanted things. It means they were used so much that they had become damaged. Unfortunately, I'd run out of furniture polish, so I couldn't do any polishing. But I'll do that next weekend. It means there was none left because it had all been used. There are some other phrasal verbs and expressions which use out. Look at these examples. He spread out the photos on the table so everyone could see them. It means arranged on a flat surface. The band has a new album coming out next month. It means available for people to buy. Would you like to try out the bike before deciding whether to buy it? It means test to find out if it works or decide whether you like it. My husband's business is so busy at the moment that I'm helping out in the office. It means helping, especially by doing work or giving money. I always feel I lost out because I never learnt a musical instrument as a child. It means did not have an advantage that others had. I feel totally stressed out at work at the moment. It means very worried and anxious. I've been working so hard for so long. I feel like screaming. I think I'm suffering from burnout. It means the condition of being ill or tired because you have been working too hard. 1. I lost out by not learning a foreign language at school. I meet so many people I just can't communicate with. 2. Would you like to try out my tennis racket? It's a new model. 3. My business is growing so fast I need someone to help out at weekends. I don't want to suffer from burnout. 4. I got locked out yesterday. I left home without my keys and my flatmate had gone away for the day. 5. I cut out a job advertisement from the paper last night and now I don't know where I put it. Now listen to this conversation between Chloe and Archie.
I'm leaving now.
I'll come with you and see you out. Our new office building is a bit complicated.
Oh, it's okay. I can see myself out.
Well, actually you can't. They lock the street door at 6 p.m, so I'll have to come and let you out.
Choose which sentence from A to E below best fits the gaps 1 to 5 in the text. I wanted to find out more about the history of my town for a college project, so I decided to go to the local records office. I got out some books, newspapers, and some old maps which they had. I decided to make a pile of things to scan. There was a huge amount of material, too much in fact. So I hurried and just chose the most important things to scan in the time I had left. I will go back and do them some other time. The correct answer for number 1 is C. I'd cut out some articles from the local paper, but I needed more information. The correct answer for number 2 is E. I spread them all out on a big table. The correct answer for number 3 is A. So I sorted out the most important items. The correct answer for number 4 is D. Time was running out. The office closed at 5:30 p.m. I felt very stressed out. The correct answer for number 5 is B. Unfortunately, I had to leave out the very big maps. Let's review these sentences. 1. I will take you down to the exit if you like. I'll show you out if you like. 2. For some reason my name was omitted from the guest list. For some reason my name was left out of the guest list. 3. My keys are inside the car and I can't get into it. I've locked myself out of my car. 4. He can find his own way to exit, there's no need to take him there. He can see or show himself out, there is no need to take him there. 5. She collected advertisements from the magazines that would give her money off her shopping. She cut out advertisements from the magazines that would give her money off her shopping. 6. The security guard opened the gate so we could leave the building site. The security guard let us out of the building site. Write a sentence about each picture using phrasal verbs from this unit. He's locked himself out of his car. She's left out the letter E. Or she's left the letter E out. The DVD of Taxi Driver is coming out soon. Or Taxi Driver is coming out on DVD soon. Thanks for watching. I hope it was helpful to you. In the next videos I'll teach you some other useful phrasal verbs. If you liked this video, share it with your friends and let them learn phrasal verbs. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Have a good time.